In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unlimited day trades on Robinhood. If you've ever tried to day trade stocks frequently on Robinhood, you might have come across something called the pattern day trader, or PDT rule. This rule can be a bit confusing and even frustrating if you're new to trading. So let's walk through exactly how you can check your current status and the two ways to get around the limitation, all step by step. First, start by opening robinhood.com in your browser and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a button labeled Account. Click on it and a menu will appear. From that menu, head into Settings, then select the Investing tab. Now, scroll down until you see a section called Day Trade Status. Here's where Robinhood clearly shows you how many day trades you've made within the rolling 5-day period, and whether you're close to your 3-day trade limit if you have a margin account with less than $25,000. This is the rule most traders bump into. With a margin account and less than $25,000, you're limited to just 3-day trades every 5 business days. If you want to make unlimited day trades on Robinhood, you have two main options. The first way is to simply increase your account balance to $25,000 or more. If you're able to, click on Account again, then choose Transfers and select Add Money. You'll need to keep transferring funds into your account until your portfolio value is at least $25,000. Once your account balance hits that 25K threshold, the pattern day trader restriction lifts automatically, and you'll be able to make as many day trades as you want. No more worrying about limits. Just remember, if your balance dips below $25,000, the restriction comes back. The second option, and this is great if you don't want to keep such a high account balance, is to switch your account to what's called a cash account. To do this, head to Account in the top right, go to Settings, click on Investing, and then look for account type. Change this to cash and then make sure to click Confirm. With a cash account, the PDT rule doesn't apply, meaning you're not restricted to 3-day trades per week. However, there's an important catch. You can only use settled cash to make trades. This means after you sell a stock, it typically takes 2 business days for the funds to settle, which is often called T+2. Until your cash fully settles, you'll have to wait before you use that money for your next trade. So those are your two choices for unlimited day trades on Robinhood. You can either keep your account above $25,000 or switch to a cash account, and make sure you're always trading with settled funds. It's a good idea to consider your trading style and pick the option that best fits your needs. I hope this walkthrough helps clear things up for you and makes your day trading journey on Robinhood a lot smoother. Thanks for watching and happy trading.